guys, welcome to SB Basic. Today on Cooking on Board, I'm actually not going to be cooking on board. I'm going to stir things up a bit. That's right, we're making cocktails. Okay, so I love to entertain, and some of the tricks that I do is I make a signature drink for the night. This frees up my time so I can actually mingle and enjoy my guests. I don't like to be behind the bar all night making custom drinks for everyone. So here's a couple of signature drinks that I do. That's easy to make on board, and it'll be a sure hit on your boat. First drink is your classic margarita. So I have some tequila, triple sec, fresh squeezed lime juice. I have my simple syrup, which is equal parts of sugar and water, which I made earlier today, some salt, and some limes for garnish. Alright, so my next drink is the Paloma. This is a cheap version, but this is one of my absolute favorites in the summertime. It's refreshing. It's just grapefruit soda, tequila, fresh grapefruit juice for color, and a little sugar. So this is a must-have on board. I am making the Dark and Stormy. You got some spice rum, some ginger beer, lemon lime, and I serve it over ice. It is a surefire hit on any boat. Okay, so this is the last drink of the night, and this is my all-time favorite. It's the whiskey sour. All it is good bourbon, simple syrup, lemon lime squeezed, and a cherry on top. Now that I've shown you guys 4 of my drinks, I hope that you guys try it and make it on board for your guests. Remember to make a big batch, throw it in the fridge so you can serve it over ice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next Monday. Until then, I have a lot of work to do.